guys, welcome back to Fresh OV. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement opportunity from Pubmatic. So in this video, we'll discuss about all the things such as the job role, the experience required, about the job location or the job description, and all the roles and responsibilities. So we'll discuss all these things in a detailed manner. So please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end to get a complete idea over this opportunity from Pubmatic. So let's begin. So very firstly, we'll talk about the company profile. So Pubmatic is a company that develops and implements online advertising softwares and strategies for the digital publishing and advertising industry. And Pubmatic was founded in October 2006, and the founders are like Rajiv Goyal, Amar Goyal, Anand Das and Mukul Kumar. So these are the founders. So let's move forward. So Pubmatic is currently hiring. So Pubmatic is currently hiring for the position of a software QA automation engineer, and the location for the same is Pune, and the experience required for the same is 0 years. That means even if you are a fresher and if you don't have any type of experience, so you are still eligible for this opportunity. So this job has been posted 2 days before on the official careers page of Pubmatic. So there are total 2 openings. And talking about the job role, so as a machine learning QA engineer, you will work closely with the product management, data scientist and ML analyst to understand the ML algorithm requirements. You will be working on identifying the ML test strategies and automating the test scenarios for complex ML workflows. The successful ML QA has strong technical aptitude and strong desire to learn new technologies and have an agile approach. So this is the information regarding the job role and about the responsibilities. So they have mentioned a lot of points here, so we'll go all these points one by one. So the very first point is understanding of machine learning techniques, data structures, algorithms, statistics, proficient in designing, understanding and implementing algorithms, drive improvements in the existing automation framework to improve quality and maintainability, develop and maintain domain, product and process knowledge to directly influence the product quality, software engineering productivity and development process maturity, define, improve and automate metrics collection and reporting, drive the test effectiveness and efficiencies throughout the team, drive research of industry trends and apply best practices in quality engineering practices used in evolving machine learning techniques. And the very last responsibility will be keeping it current on new technologies and make recommendations on future direction for quality engineering, as well as apply latest techniques and industry information as appropriate. So these are the total responsibilities they have mentioned here. And talking about the desired skills, so good understanding of designing part of scalable and maintainable automated testing solutions for large scale systems, demonstrated ability to learn and apply new technology tools and process, excellent English written and verbal communication skills, demonstrated collaborative and mentoring skills, knowledge of agile environment. So these are the desirable skills they have mentioned. And the salary, so they have not disclosed the total CTC here, and the industry type will be IT software services, and the functional area will be IT software QA and testing, and the role category will be programming and design, and the job role will be a testing engineer, and the employment type is a full-time and permanent type of employment. Further, they have mentioned here key skills they are expecting from the candidates who are applying for this opportunity. Key skills they have mentioned: software QA, quality improvement, data structures, automation framework, automation testing, product quality test scenarios, QA automation, quality assurance, engineering, statistics. And the educational qualifications are like all the BTech holders in computer field and all the MTech holders in computer stream. So the only stream eligible for this opportunity is computer. And further they have mentioned here about the company profile. So So I have already told you guys about the company profile at the very beginning of the video. So if you are willing to read all this information once again, so I will provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. So don't forget to check that link out for reading all this information and applying for the same. So just go to that link I have already mentioned and click on the link, so you will be just directed to this page. So read all this information, and here you have total 3 options. So you can just log in if you already have an account here in PubMatic, or if you don't have any account, then you have to firstly register and then apply. And the third option will be apply without registration. So I'll just go with the apply without registration. So after clicking there, you can see a page like this. So you have to mention here your name first, your email ID, your current mobile number, then your current location, your total experience, if you have any kind of experience, or if you are a fresher, you can fill whatever. And then you have to upload your CV. So you fill all this information and upload your CV and click on the apply without registration. So in this way you can apply for this opportunity from PubMatic. So this is a very good opportunity for all the freshers to get into a good company. So in this way we saw complete information regarding this amazing job opportunity from PubMatic, and we also saw how one can apply for the same. So I come up with this kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you are new to the channel, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also share the video with your friends who are looking for good opportunities like this. And if you come across any type of queries, then mention all the queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP. We'll meet in the next video with one more latest off-campus opportunity. Thank you.